Welcome back. I'm going to share some of my last minute stocking stuffer ideas in case you needed any right before the holidays. My first stocking stuffer is the Headwear Supercharged Leave-In. I love this product because I am easily sold by great marketing and how gorgeous is the outside of this bottle. But on top of that, it does a lot of great things. So one of the things that I love about it is it has no sulfates, no parabens, it's gluten-free. So this is stripped of any of those things that are gonna damage your hair or, cause effect to the health of your body. So this is something that's a very health conscious product. The reason this also makes a great stocking stuffer is it's 4 ounces. So you can get it in this tiny bottle, it'll fit right there in that stocking, and it's something that somebody will actually use. The Supercharged Complex is actually a ultra reparative formula that has a balanced amount of emollients, proteins, and moisturizers that are going to absorb in the hair and make your hair healthier from the inside out. Not only does this product strengthen hair, but it's gonna defrizz and shine. Therefore, if you have somebody in your life that needs a leave-in product, this is the one they're gonna wanna use. You use it straight out of the shower, spray it all over your head, and you'll get all of those helpful ingredients just by doing that. My next favorite stocking stuffer is the Generic Value Products liquid hair toners. You've probably heard me talk about this before, but this product is a miracle product for toning brassy hair. Also, the thing I love about the Generic Value products are they have the same ingredients, they work the same way as other professional toners, but you're getting them at a better value. I believe this is between $5 and $6. The developer that activates it is usually between $2 and $5, depending on the size. So this is very affordable. It works really, really well. It's an easy stocking stuffer, and it has a dramatic benefit to the hair. Because it has that added developer that activates it, it means that by using a 20 volume, you're going to be going into the hair cuticle. A lot of toners just sit on top of the hair, and that's why they leave the hair so quickly. You might feel as if you colored your hair blonde, and then days later, it felt very yellow. This is something that's going to tone from the inside out because it's got that horsepower added to it. So by using this product, you're gonna have longer lasting icy blonde. And this one is the T18 Icy Blonde. It does come in different colors of blonde. So if white or silver is not your vibe, it does come in other colors. But if you do have that DIY lover at home that loves to do their own hair color, this is something they either need to try or they're already using and they know about it and they're gonna need to stock up on it. My next stocking stuffer idea would be the Ion After Color Treatment. I love this product because it balances pH in the hair. pH is the reason why the cuticle raises on the hair and allows us to alter it chemically. We need something to put on the hair after we've done that to seal the cuticle back up. Failing to do so can cause your color to fade faster, to get damaged more easily, and those are 2 things that after coloring your hair, you don't want to be struggling with. So this product actually helps seal the cuticle and lock that color in the hair. It's the best post-treatment from doing a color. So this would be a great pairing to put with that Generic Value product color, because then you're allowing somebody to get the whole system. They're able to color their hair and then they're able to keep that color and keep their cuticle healthy. This also makes a great stocking stuffer because it's less than an ounce. This comes in a tiny little packet so somebody could open it and use it whenever they need to for when they're ready to color their hair. So you could buy a couple, you could have one on hand, but you can just place that in their stocking and it's a nice add-on to have with any other beauty products that they might have in their stocking or in their gift set. My last stocking stuffer suggestion is gonna be the Ion Repair Treatment. This is a conditioner that every color lover needs because whenever you're coloring your hair, like we talked about, you're altering that pH, your hair is getting drier, you don't wanna lose that color. So you need to be using good shampoos and conditioner that are gonna go in conjunction with the hair color that you're doing. This is a daily conditioner that's going to help weak, damaged, dry hair. It's going to add moisture, it's going to retain color, and it's gonna be color safe. And that's especially what we need whenever we're coloring our hair. This product will always leave hair softer, stronger, and healthier looking. And again, this comes in a small packet size. So if you're not sure what somebody wants, or maybe they just wanna try it out, This is a great option. Just pop it in their stocking. Everybody needs conditioner, so this is something that will fit easily in there and that somebody can try. And if they end up loving it, they'll know where to find it. Thanks for coming back and checking out my favorite add-on stocking stuffer ideas from Sally Beauty. For more information, you can check out my Instagram, Emily Bolin Hair, or you can see me on DIY University at sallybeauty.com.